Hello everyone, a very fresh good morning to all of you. How are you all today? I hope you all are fine and safe. Right, so students, as we all know that we have completed our explanation part of this chapter. So today we are going to start the exercises of this chapter number 11, force, work and energy. So before we starting our today's exercises, let me give the quick revision and we'll discuss about the keywords and the summary of this chapter, right? So we can do exercise in better way. So first one, keywords of this chapter. First one is force. So what is force? A push or pull acting on an object is called force. A push or pull acting on an object is called force. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को हम पुश करते हैं या तो पुल करते हैं, उसे हम कहते हैं force. Now, second one is gravity. So, what is gravity? The force that pulls objects downwards towards the center of the earth is called gravity. एक ऐसा फोर्स जहाँ पे सभी ऑब्जेक्ट्स डाउनवर्ड्स पुल किए जाते हैं टूवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ इज़ कॉल्ड ग्रेविटी. अर्थ के पास एक ऐसा फोर्स है जो सभी ऑब्जेक्ट्स को अपनी तरफ यानी कि डाउनवर्ड्स खींचता है. The force that pulls objects downwards towards the center of the earth is called gravity. Then third one is friction. The force that is present when two things are in contact with each other is called friction. एक ऐसा फोर्स जहाँ पे दो चीज़ें होती है यानी कि टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स दे आर कॉन्टेक्ट विथ ईच अदर. जब दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स एक दूसरे के कॉन्टेक्ट में आते हैं तब फ्रिक्शन फोर्स जो है वो अप्लाई होता है. The force that is present when two things are contact with each other is called friction. Then the fourth one is work. So work is said to be done when a force applied on an object cause is to move in the direction of the force applied. तो वर्क जो है वो हम उसे तभी करेंगे उन एक्टिविटीज़ को जिन एक्टिविटीज़ में फोर्स अप्लाई होता है और फोर्स अप्लाई होने की वजह से वो ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो किसी भी डायरेक्शन में मूव करता है, तभी उन एक्टिविटीज़ को हम एज अ वर्क कंसिडर करेंगे. रीडिंग, स्लीपिंग एंड थिंकिंग वी विल नॉट कंसिडर दिस एक्टिविटी एज वर्क बिकॉज इन दिस एक्टिविटी वर्क विल नॉट अप्लाई, राइट. Work is said to be done when a force applied on an object causes is to move in the direction of force applied. Then energy. The ability to do work is called energy. The ability to do work is called energy. Then the last one is solar energy. So what is solar energy? The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. Simple, right? The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. Now, summary of this chapter. First point. There are two types of forces in nature, gravity and friction. So students, there are two types of forces, gravity and friction. Machines makes our work easier. Yes, with the help of different machines, our work will be easier. Then there are different types of simple machines such as lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw and wedges. So these are the different types of simple machines. With the help of them our work will be easier and faster also. Then energy exists in various forms. So students, energy exists in various forms. For example, chemical, mechanical, heat, light, electrical, magnet and sound. तो इन सभी फॉर्म्स में एनर्जी जो है वो एग्जिस्ट करती है. एंड इन लास्ट, सम नेचुरल सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी आर द सन, विंड एंड वाटर. सो देर आर थ्री नेचुरल सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी एंड दे आर सन, विंड एंड water. From them we are getting the most of our energy. So students, in this chapter what we learned? In this chapter we learned of types of forces, two types of forces, gravity and friction. Then we learned about the work. Then we learned about the different simple machines. Then we learned about the energies, right? There are what are energy exists in which various forms. And in last we also learned about the different source of energy. They are sun, wind and water. Okay. Now let's start our exercises part. Okay. Question 1. objective type questions. Question A. Choose the correct option. Question number 1. What is force? Question number 1. What is force? And your options are A. Act of pushing or pulling. B. Gravity. C. Friction. And D. All of this. So इनमें से force क्या है? What is force? Act of pushing or pulling. Yes, it is called force. Then B. Gravity. So yes, gravity is also one type of force. Then the friction. So friction is also one type of force. So the answer will be D. All of this, right? All these options A, B and C are called force. Then the question number 2. What causes a ripe mango to fall on the ground? What causes a ripe mango to fall on the ground? इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा ऑप्शन है जो रिप मैंगो को ग्राउंड में फॉल करवाता है? Options are A. Friction, B. Gravity, C. Energy of sun and D. Energy of the earth. What causes a ripe mango to fall on the ground? Answer is B. Gravity. Right, because of the gravity force, the ripe mango to fall on the ground. Now the question number 3. Which of these forces causes a moving body stop? Which of the forces cause a moving body to stop? इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा ऑप्शन है, कौन सा ऐसा फोर्स है जो मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स को और मूविंग बॉडी को स्टॉप करवा सकता है? ऑप्शंस आर A. Friction, B. Gravity, C. Energy of sun and D. Energy of earth. So the answer is friction. Friction force causes a moving body to stop. फ्रिक्शन फोर्स जो है वो कोई भी मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स को और मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट को मूविंग बॉडी को भी स्टॉप करवा सकता है. Then the question number 4. In which of this is work said to have been done? In which of this is work said to have been done? And your options are A. Pushing a wall, B. Pushing a lawn mower, C. Reading and D. Standing. In which of this is work said to have been done? Pushing a wall is said to be the work done. Reading and standing, or the B. Pushing lawn mower. So the answer is B. Pushing a lawn mower, right? This activity is said to be work. Then the question number 5. Which of these can be used to open the lid of a can? कैन के लीड को ओपन के लिए इनमें से कौन सा टूल यूज़ होता है? ऑप्शंस आर A. लीवर, B. पुली, C. व्हील एंड एक्सल एंड D. स्क्रू. Which of these can be used to open the lid of a can? So the answer is A. Lever. Lever is used to open the lid of a can. Then the question number 6. A pair of scissors is an example of dash. A pair of scissors is an example of dash. Options are A. lever, B. pulley, C. wheel and axle and D. screw. A pair of scissors is an example of yes A. lever. scissor जो है वो लीवर का एक एग्जाम्पल है, लीवर मशीन का एक एग्जाम्पल है. Then the question number 7. Which of this is not a form of energy? Which of this is not a form of energy? Your options are A. chemical, B. mechanical, C. electrical and D. frictional. Which of this is not a form of energy? So the answer is D. frictional, because chemical, mechanical and electrical are the examples of or the form of energy, but D. frictional is not a form of energy. Then question number 8. Which of this is the main source of energy on earth? Which of this is the main source of energy on earth? Options are A. sun, B. wind, C. water and D. light. So अर्थ के ऊपर कौन सा एनर्जी का मेन सोर्स है? So the answer is sun, right? Sun is the main source of energy on earth. Now question number B. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The force that pulls object towards the center of the earth is called dash. A force that pulls object towards the center of the earth is called dash. Options are friction or gravity. जो फोर्स सभी ऑब्जेक्ट्स को अपनी तरफ डाउनवर्ड खींचता है अर्थ की तरफ, उसे हम कहते हैं यस ग्रेविटी. द फोर्स दैट पुल्स ऑब्जेक्ट्स टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ इज कॉल्ड gravity. Now the question number 2. If there is too much friction, things will dash move or not move. If there is too much friction, then things will not move. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रिक्शन है तब जो चीज़ है, कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है, वो मूव ही नहीं होगा. If there is too much friction, things will not move. Question number 4. A dash is a simple machine with a grooved wheel and a rope running between the grooves of the wheel. Options are pulley and wheel and axle. Pulley or wheel and axle. Which is a simple machine with a grooved wheel and a rope running between the grooves of the wheel. एक ऐसी मशीन जहाँ पे ग्रूव्ड व्हील है विद दी रॉप रनिंग बिटवीन ग्रूव्ड ऑफ दी व्हील. जो व्हील होती है उसके बीच में एक रस्सी होती है, रोप होती है. जब हम रस्सी को खींचते हैं, रॉप को खींचते हैं, तब वो व्हील जो है वो रन होता है, यानी कि मूव होता है, घूमता है. सो ऐसे मशीन को हम कहते हैं पुली. अ पुली इज़ अ सिंपल मशीन विद अ ग्रूव्ड व्हील and rope running between the groove of the wheels. Question number 5. The energy of moving water is called dash energy. Solar or hydro? तो energy of moving water is called hydro energy. वाटर में से जो मूविंग वाटर में से जो एनर्जी हमें मिलती है उसे हम कहते हैं हाइड्रो एनर्जी. राइट. नाउ टर्न द पेज. Very short answer type questions. Give one word for the following. First one, the force that opposes the motion of the one surface across another. It is called what? It is called friction. A force that opposes the motion of one surface across another. It is called friction. Then question number 2. Simple machine that is made up of rod resting at a point around which is turns. एक ऐसे सिंपल मशीन जो जिसलिए बनाई गई है रॉड रेस्टिंग के लिए, व्हेन वी पॉइंट अराउंड विच इज़ टर्न, इट इज़ कॉल्ड लीवर. राइट. एक टाइप का रॉड होता है जिसकी हेल्प से हम किसी भी हैवी वेट को और हैवी थिंग्स को वी कैन लिफ्ट इट और वी कैन पॉइंट अराउंड विच इज़ टर्न्स. इट इज़ कॉल्ड लीवर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. A sloping surface that is used to push heavy objects to a certain height. A sloping surface that is used to push heavy objects to a certain height. एक स्लोपिंग सरफेस होता है जिसकी हेल्प से हम ट्रक में से या कोई भी कहीं भी प्लेस में से हैवी ऑब्जेक्ट्स को हम पुश कर सकते हैं बहुत ही एक सर्टेन हाइट से. सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड इंक्लाइंड प्लेन. A sloping surface that is used to push heavy objects to a certain height, it is called inclined plane. Now the question number 4. An inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder that has sharp pointed end. It is called screw. Screw is an inclined plane, right? Screw जो है वो एक inclined plane है जो सिलेंडर में रैप हुआ है और जिसको एंडिंग जो है वो बहुत ही शार्प और पॉइंटेड है. So this is the screw. Last one. The ability to do work. The ability to do work is called energy. Ability to do work is called energy. Now the question number B. Give 2 examples for each of the following. Question number 1. Work being done. Write down the 2 examples. Work being done. So what are the 2 activities? So kicking a football and moving a table. Kicking a football and moving a table are the 2 examples of work being done. Then the second question, simple machines. So lever and pulley are the examples of simple machines. Then forms of energy. Heat and light. Heat and light are the examples of forms of energy. Last one, levers. So what are the examples of levers? Scissors and spoon. These 2 are the examples of levers machine. Right? Levers machine जो होती है उनके 2 examples है scissors and spoon. Now the question answer part. So students, skip this part for now. We will do in our next video lecture. Then let's recall. Recall and complete the concept map given below. So here they given us one concept about this chapter and we have to complete it. Okay, so first one, types of forces. So students, there are two types of forces. And they are gravity and friction. Types of forces, gravity and friction. Then the second one is types of simple machines. They are lever, pulley, wheel and axle, wedge, inclined plane and screw. So this all are the types of simple machines. Lever, pulley, wheel and axle, wedge, inclined plane and screw. So students, these are the 6 types of simple machines. Now, forms of energy. They are chemical energy, mechanical energy, heat, light, electrical energy, magnetic energy, sound. Forms of energy. They are, what are the different types of forms of energy? So the forms of energies are chemical, mechanical, heat, light, electrical, magnetic and sound. ये सभी एनर्जी के फॉर्म्स है. वी कैन फाउंड एनर्जी इन डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फॉर्म्स. दे आर केमिकल, मैकेनिकल, हीट, लाइट, इलेक्ट्रिकल, मैग्नेटिक एंड साउंड. Then the last one is source of energy. So there are 3 sources of natural energy. They are sun, water and wind. Sun, water and wind are the natural source of energy. Okay. So the next one is, let's observe. First one, look at the picture and write which simple machines are being used in each of them. So they given us 2 pictures and we have to observe the picture and write down the name of the simple machine that are being used in each of them. So look at the first picture. So in this picture, which simple machine is used? It is scissor, right? Which is लीवर मशीन जो है, लीवर मशीन सीजर यूज हुई है. सो सीजर इज़ वन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लीवर मशीन. सो लीवर इज़ यूज्ड इन दिस पिक्चर. एंड इन द सेकेंड पिक्चर, ये जो वेट है, राइट, उसको पुश और पुल किया जा रहा है. इन द स्लोपिंग एरिया उसको पुल किया जा रहा है, पुश किया जा रहा है ट्रक के अंदर, राइट, हैवी वेट को. सो दिस एक्टिविटी मस्ट बी इंक्लाइंड प्लेन. दिस मशीन, दिस स्लोपिंग सरफेस मशीन, इट इज़ कॉल्ड इंक्लाइंड plane. So in this 2 activity, first machine is lever, first simple machine is lever and the second simple machine is inclined plane, right? Now second one is work being done in each of the following? Right, yes or no. Is work being done in each following activity? Yes or no. तो ये जो फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी में जो हमें पिक्चर दिखाया गया है, सो फर्स्ट पिक्चर में क्या वर्क जो है वो डन हुआ है? Write down yes, because in this picture boy and girl playing with a ball, right? जब वो प्लेन के साथ, बॉल के साथ खेल रहे हैं, so they have to apply force on the object and the object will move. वो बॉल के ऊपर फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं जिसकी वजह से बॉल जो है वो मूव हो रहा है. That is how this activity is being done. This will be considered as work. So write down yes. In the second picture, ये जो boy है is pushing the bottle top on the table. So this activity is also said to be work. So write yes. This activity is also called work being done, right? So write down yes also. So here students, our all the exercises of this chapter is over now. Now if you have any query regarding any explanation or any topic in the explanation or any exercises topic, so you can ask me or you can send a message, right? So your homework for it is you have to complete all this exercise in your fair notebook of EVS. Sorry, not fair notebook of EVS, but in the textbook, right? Complete all this activity in the textbooks. That is your homework. Fine. Chalo, thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. तो ये जो सारी एक्टिविटीज़ है वो टेक्स्ट बुक में ही कंप्लीट करना. ओके, सो ओनली क्वेश्चन आंसर्स विल बी रिमेनिंग दैट वी विल डू इन अवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो. Chalo, okay everyone, bye bye, have a wonderful day.